2018, climate researchers approached Campbell Scientific about providing instrumentation, supporting communications, and hardware rugged enough for the first permanent automated weather station to be installed on the summit of Mount Everest. Join us as we explore the planning, design work, and installation of these extreme systems in one of the most rugged environments on Earth. We will consider the individuals involved in this extremely dangerous expedition, the expedition team that will make the ascent and install the equipment, Campbell Scientific engineers, and those who will benefit from this critical weather data.